Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to fix a pull request with Cider. So first, we'll start inside Cider. We have our demo pull request. So let's click on that. Finder has found an open issue. If we click on Show Full Details, we'll get more information. So let's copy this and make the change by going to our pull request. And let's go to our file. So for our hypothetical situation, we will paste change and then go down and commit changes. So once that's done, let's go back into Cider. Let's go back to our pull request and Cider will analyze it again. And now this time, Cider has fixed the issue. If you'd like more information, please go to help.cider.review. Thank you for watching.